Before you scroll, ask yourself one question. What if you are living inside a failed experiment, and every moment of your life is part of it?
Sounds impossible.
But what if reality isn't broken? What if it was designed this way after an experiment failed beyond anyone's control? Think about it. Why does the universe have limits? Why can't anything move faster than light? Who decided those invisible rules? Some scientists believe reality behaves like a program system. But what if those strange rules are simply leftovers from a failed experiment? Imagine a civilization so advanced it could build entire universes. Their greatest project begins. Then suddenly something goes terribly wrong. Stars are born. Galaxies grow. Life appears. Everything seems perfect. Until one unexpected event changes the experiment forever. Consciousness. The creators wanted intelligent life. They never expected that life would question its own existence or search for whoever created it. The moment humans became self-aware, the experiment changed. Every prediction failed. Every calculation became impossible to control. What if consciousness wasn't the goal, but the mistake? What if that's why you are living inside a failed experiment today? And here's the question nobody can answer. If this experiment failed long ago, who or what is still watching us right now? If you're living inside a failed experiment, every strange coincidence could mean far more than luck or mere random chance than you'd ever imagine. Have you ever felt you've lived a moment before? What if déjà vu isn't a memory error, but a glitch in the experiment? A crack where reality repeats itself. Imagine the creators trying to repair reality. Every small change leaves invisible traces, and sometimes human minds notice them. Maybe that's why impossible coincidences happen. Maybe they're not impossible at all. They're tiny cracks left behind after countless repairs. The strange part is this. The more questions we ask about reality, the more mysterious reality seems to become, revealing layers that challenge everything we think we know. Could curiosity itself be changing the experiment? What if every answer creates even more unexpected problems for its creators? Some people believe reality occasionally slips. A face seems familiar. Time feels wrong. A place appears exactly as you dreamed it. Science doesn't call these proof. But together, they form a pattern that's difficult to ignore once you start paying attention and looking at the evidence as a whole. Now imagine the experiment is still running. Every decision you make becomes new data, quietly collected and analyzed by someone you'll never even meet. So ask yourself this. If someone is still observing the experiment, what happens the exact moment they decide it's finally over and stop watching altogether? There's no proof that this theory is true. But sometimes the most unsettling questions are the ones no one can completely answer. Every civilization eventually reaches a turning point. What if humanity is approaching the exact moment this experiment was waiting for? The experiment has reached its final stage. Every choice we make today could shape what happens next. For all of us, the outcome may redefine our future. Maybe the creators are waiting. Maybe they're watching silently for one final result before making a decision about this entire reality. And what if they've already made that decision? What if the countdown quietly started long before any of us were even born, without anyone noticing? One day, reality could change in ways nobody expects. Most people might never notice it, but a few people probably would, and everything would feel different. If you suddenly discovered undeniable proof, would you tell the world? Or stay silent and question everything you've ever believed? You are living inside a failed experiment? Or maybe that's exactly what whoever created this world wants you to wonder. What if every doubt was planted? The truth may never be revealed. But once this idea enters your mind, it's almost impossible to look at reality the same way. So, do you think you are living inside a failed experiment? Tell me what you believe, and don't forget to subscribe for more mysteries.